Greetings everyone, this is Elizabeth and we're back with the Crescent Creation channel and the last bit of our first signature in the mini album that we've been making. This will be in a giveaway very soon. I've got to finish making all the pages, so be sure to comment on all the videos where you see bits and bobs of this mini album. So we've moved on from our doggy pocket to the next page, and I'm pulling out some Simon sorry about that, some Simon Hurley florals, and I sporadically stamped them in yellow, and they did not stamp perfect, and I was okay with that because we're going to stamp another one on top, and I'm just protecting my paper so I can get that last one in there. And I did fold it so that the words I stamped there were hidden. Okay, so we have this nice little hidden message, plus we can add more to it. And now we're on to the last two pages and the back side. So I'm bouncing back and forth because that's my thinking. I'm like, what do I want to do? I'm looking at all the pages. What have we used? And I decided to pull out the mandala stamp again. And I inked it up with a light gray, and on both sides of the page I just did this light little pattern of the mandala stamp, so that the way when they're together they look like they were made together, right? Now some of the color that's on the one side I'm dragging to the other side and vice versa, so I'm bringing in the blues to the other side, I'm bringing the pinks on over, and then a little bit of yellow, so it looks cohesive. So we don't have to make all the pages together at the same time. We can improve them once we get our book together. And here, let me double check the name of that beautiful stamp. Okay, that rose is from Butterfly Kisses, also by Simon Hurley. I do believe this one is still in stock at Crescent Creation. She is closing her doors, so be sure to pop in there. Lots of sales going on. Save some money buying some of the products you like. They carry MFT, Lawn Fawn, Honeybee, lots of brands, especially Simon Hurley. So you know, it is sad. I'm gonna miss you guys over here, but if you like me, you like my content, head over to my channel, Elizabeth. You guys, chatting is so hard sometimes. Head over to my channel, Elizabeth Costa Rogers, with a hyphen between the Costa and the Rogers. You can also click the link down below. I have my link tree that has all of my wonderful places you can visit me. But here I am using the, I do believe it's Sunny Studio. It is called Charming City. And Charming City comes with that cute little tree. And I stamped the row of houses, and I've stamped the tree multiple times. And I'm just coloring in the trees with some watercolor pens again. And very simple. Just put in multiple colors of green for the trees, unless you want it fall, and then you could do reds, oranges, and yellows. But I think mine is a nice spring day when all the colors are out, and a little bit of heavier handed on the bottom under the trees, and it creates little shadows. And I just used some ink blending to get the rest of that colored in. And I'm fussy cutting the top so that when I place this over my house, it looks like the trees are in front of the house, and maybe you're up on another hill looking over those trees, looking at the house or buildings. This part took the longest time. It took 2 hours to finish this whole signature section, minus the hedgehogs and stuff that had been done previously. So these 3 little video segments, you know, it's about 2 hours, but this part here is this was like 49 minutes of coloring and stamping, and getting that all done. But the outcome, you guys, I think it turned out really good. The whole first signature is really awesome. I'm not sure how I'm going to deal with the second signature and the third one, so it's up to par, but we'll get there. We'll record all that. And I'm testing my colors at the bottom of the page because it's going to be covered with my little greenery that I made. And I wanted some fun colors, so I threw in the yellow. We're going to do some browns and stuff. And yeah, it just easy coloring, you guys. Don't have to do any blending or shading or anything to make it look really neat. Although you could take even longer and put in highlights and lowlights and all that fun stuff. But sometimes just getting it done is all that matters. Having fun, getting those colors out. Definitely, you could totally do a rainbow, which I even thought about that because the next signature starts off with a rainbow. But I was like, no, we'll stick with some natural house colors. Throw in a yellow one, a brown one, a reddish brown, just have some fun with it, you guys. But here's my orange one. Who here wants an orange house? I thought it would be a fun spring summery feel to this whole design. But and when you do the windows, you don't have to color them all in. I just took the blue pen kind of down the sides of the stamping line, and it really adds a little bit of character to that. Here, I think we're going to go in now and do the little flower boxes on the houses to get those colored. And I added I just add more color where I need it. And then, I see I forget some things and you can go back. So darken up the sides on that, because that little house right there I'm doing has little bricks down the side. It's a really cute stamp. I've actually used it quite a bit. Kind of amazed at how much I've used it, but it's really nice. And then I'm just going in with my ink blender to add a little bit of blue. And just look at that. We're going to set that on there. We're going to glue that down. Check that out. Now here's the fun thing. This piece here, we're only gluing the sides and the bottom, like so. Okay, that way there you have another pocket, a little hidey pocket. Put something fun in there. And that's the end of that signature. And so it looks pretty good. And we're going to do a mighty quick flip through. But that's it, you guys. So that's the end of this signature. Hang out. We're going to do the next set of signatures and get this thing ready for a giveaway. Leave comments below to enter. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.